Alright, welcome to the video. Today we're finally gonna be unboxing the Valve Steam Deck. After one broken deck and tears, we have another deck. And I'm gonna be opening it up for you guys today. And then after the next few days goes by, I'm actually going to finish recording all of my B-roll and potentially all of it, and give you guys a very thorough review of the Valve Steam Deck. As somebody who had the Q1 and now on the Q3, I can give you a little bit of insight on what the differences are as well. But without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so we are now going to go ahead and open up the deck. So I just have my little knife here, and we're just gonna break the seal. I do have the box upside down. I can only use one hand right now. Love that horrible noise. And now we're just gonna put the knife back and we're gonna get right into it. Oh, can't show any of that. Don't want to get doxxed off the bat. Hold that in place, and we're good. So, in the box, you're greeted with the attention, plug in, powered on. I'm gonna turn on the deck before plugging in. I know it has a little bit of charge in it, so I'm just going to put that aside. And in the box, you are immediately greeted with the deck where it says your games are going places. So we're going to put that aside for now. And then you also, in the box, if I can begin with one hand, get this cool little box that has the companion cube on it from Portal, if you've played through Portal 1 and 2 before. Very cool. They put a little lightning bolt to show that the charger is in there. Very nice. Gonna put that aside as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the box off to the side. And now we can get into the deck. And again, we're greeted with the pun of your games are going places. Appreciate it for the second time. And we're just gonna go ahead and open that up. So you don't need a knife or anything past this point, I don't believe. Actually, we do. So we're gonna take the plastic off, agree with the paper, and then here you just rip off the tab. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I failed horribly. Oh my god. Alright, past a certain point, I don't think it's my fault anymore, so I think we're just going to mutilate it. I think that's how it's going to go. I'll be right back when I stop struggling. Alright, and now that I've stopped struggling to open a box, we are greeted with the deck itself, right in that case. And all we have to do now is just snip this cool little Valve tag off, which I personally really like, if I could get that in focus. There we go. Just gonna go ahead and snip that. Don't do things the way I do things. This is dumb. Okay. Good thing it was off camera. And we're just gonna... So now that it's snipped, we can take it off and unzip her. And there you have it. There's the deck, all nice and neat in its case. I'm gonna take that out. Case is very nice inside. You have a very soft padding in there. Keeps the deck very safe, except when you drop it out of the case. Again, we'll go over the full story in another video. It has all perforations, rather indents, where you can put the deck in and it'll actually cover every button exactly what it's supposed to be. So the bumpers on the back get covered here, the triggers fall right into place, and there is a cover for the analog sticks, which is great. And we're going to put the case aside, and you are left with the deck. Now we do have a Zen 2 APU at 4 cores and 8 threads. It can go up to 3.5 gigahertz, an 8-core RDNA 2 GPU, and a total TDP of about 15 watts. We have 16 gigs of LPDDR5 memory on board, and we also have a 256GB NVMe SSD. While all of these specs may not seem spectacular for a gaming system, they should provide an excellent experience on this 800p IPS display. That's going to be it for this video, just the unboxing. I don't have any other review material for this video as of now. I need to do a little more benchmarking. I have old benchmarking, but I want to get the most up-to-date stuff with the latest version of Proton all done. And once that's all good, I'll have a full-on review, very comprehensive for you guys. Probably might be one of my longest videos I'll ever upload, so might actually have the table of contents that one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do enjoy the content, leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you have any suggestions for future videos. But as always, I'll be seeing you, and I hope you guys have a good one.